Hello and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're working on an LG top load washer that's leaking water. Most of the common problems with these LG top load washers are the water in the valve. So the easiest way to check is remove the two Phillips head screws in the back. So once you remove these two screws, you're going to pull up kind of like right here on the back panel, and they should just kind of pop up and lift right off. Sometimes you'll have a little bit of resistance on these front clips, but just lift straight up and it will come off. So as you can see here, the mist coming out of the valve, and this is, like I said, a common problem. So if you have water leaking down in the floor, most of the time it is this inlet valve. So in this video we're going to show you how to replace this valve. First thing you want to do is turn the water off from the wall and take a pair of pliers and remove the water hose. I recommend placing these hoses in the drain line, that way the excess water can go down the drain. So once those are out of the way, remove the harnesses that connect to the water inlet valve. Okay, great. So now we're going to remove the two hoses that connect to the water inlet valve. Take a pair of needle nose or something like that to pry down and gently just pull them backwards to remove the hose from the water inlet valve. Okay, so now we're going to remove the three Phillips head screws that holds the water inlet valve to the washer. There's one in the middle and one on the left and the right. So now we're going to remove the valve by kind of pulling up a little bit and out, and this will disconnect from the dispenser, the water dispenser, and then remove the two hoses. I like to use sometimes something like a flathead to kind of pry it, just to give it a little bit of play, and then I'll wiggle the rest of the way off. Just take your time. Okay, so this is a new one. There's a part number. I will leave a link in description below for the part if needed. So just reinstall the two hoses to the valve. Then you're going to take your needle nose or something like that and press it back up. That way it holds the hoses to the inlet valve. And just when you do this, make sure you get it nice and even. That way you have no future leaks because of a loose water hose. Now we're going to reinstall the water inlet valve into the dispenser. So basically just line it up exactly how you removed it and press all the way back until it's flushed. There we go. Then go ahead and reconnect your wire and harnesses. And now we're going to reinstall the three Phillips head screws. Okay, let's reinstall the cover. So basically this just kind of clicks down into place. So just line it up with the back and just basically press down on it till it's all flushed and clicked into place. And then you're going to reinstall the 2 Phillips head screws on the back, the left and the right. So this is an important detail when you're installing the water inlet. You always want to start with hand tighten it. You want to make sure the water hose is completely straight and even when you twist it onto the inlet valve. If you have any type of resistance, just stop and start over. But like I said, just make sure everything's nice and even and hand tighten it, then take the pliers and then tighten it and snug it the rest of the way. And once you turn your water on, you can check for leaks. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more future tips and videos. Have a good day.